Hello there, welcome to AI Marketo, and I'm Rahul Gupta, and I'm going to explain you the entire structure of the software before we go into the live demo video of AI Marketo. So AI Marketo comes with two dashboards. So this is the main dashboard where you have the layout of projects, one area for developers where they can create a master level API key or the application specific or the project specific API key. Then you have the teams part. If you have other team members to invite, you can also track all your usage of tokens, credits, and the costs and all the commands that you have run through the tool using the history tab. Then you have the agency reseller tab, the plan and billing, where you can see what plans you have bought from us and some other settings, right? So this is the main dashboard, but there are two dashboards inside the software, and the other dashboard is the project dashboard. So if you want to enter inside the project dashboard, you have to create a project. So you can just click here, and create your first project. Once you do that, you can select your first project like this, and then you will be entered into the project dashboard where you will be thrown to this screen. So this is the done for you workflow, and since we are proud to create this workflow feature that is very advanced because it has several steps that are completely done for you, and these steps are very advanced. So in this video I am not going to show you how the workflow works, because the idea and the goal of this video is to make you understand the software architecture and the structure on where you can find what things. So there are basically hundreds of tools inside the software in different industries like social media, e-commerce, SEO, product copywriting, company, audio, right? So you have all these 100 tools, right? And you must have seen all these 100 tools in other AI softwares as well. But what we differentiate from others into ourselves is that we have created such a technology, such a revolutionary thing, that it doesn't matter in which industry or in which category your business or your product or your service falls. You can write your own workflow from our system. We have just basically give you the entire framework to write your own workflow. So you just give your workflow name and define the number of steps it had and give it a description. So just click on that and all the steps will start to come out here. And once you create some workflows, you can see all your managed workflows that are here. And this is the workflow responses. So this is basically the workflow if you want to create your own, right? But there are some nice workflows that are done for you. So basically right now it's 31, and you can have a look that they are from different industries and each one of them solves different purpose. So for example, investor pitch deck, it has 11 steps and we have solved this. So you can just preview it, and you see that if you just give it a small description or anything, it gives you all these nice information in 11 steps, right? So it explains your idea, then it gives you a problem statement, then the solution to the problems, then the market opportunity and potential, competitive analysis, business model, team and expertise, traction and milestones, and then there are some other steps like funding requirements and conclusion, right? Similarly, according to this DFI workflows, you can also check other things. For example, if I want to be writing the emails, then I can just click on preview. So it is going to define my topic and then it is going to generate some emails for me, right? So this workflow can generate the emails for you. Then this workflow can generate business idea researcher. It can create presentations for you. So there are multiple types of done for you workflows for any kind of task. Even we have some other crazy workflows like ads writer for e-commerce, then the testimonials, reviews and critiques creator, or any different kinds of workflows, right? So this is done for you workflow, which you can preview and just copy any of our workflow into the account in order to use it, right? And all this data will be generated automatically on autopilot without any troubles or hassles, right? Then there are 100 tools dashboard, which is located just right here, and you have all these different tools which you can also search from here. So for example, if you want to find some tools on Facebook, then you can also have all these Facebook tools searched here. Then if you want to have something for e-commerce, you can just search here for e-commerce, and it is going to show you the things from there, right? And not just that, we have also providing different kinds of media based tools. So these 100 tools are mostly text based tools where you can generate maybe posts for social media, or writing a blog, or copywriting, doing the copywriting, or any other things. But what if you want to work on image formats and audio formats, right? So there are several tools for audio. One of these is transcriber, where you will be simply inserting any audio files or any kind of video inputs, and then the system is gonna give you the transcriptions of those, right? So you can instantly convert any audio or video input into a text based output which you can export, and use this to maybe generate articles for you, or maybe you don't have time to watch a 30 minutes video, you just want the transcripts of that, and you can just do that, right, using the transcribe part. So you just go here, you have different upload options, and you can also import directly the YouTube videos, and it is going to give you the entire transcriptions from there. Then you have speech to text, where you can simply speech inside in front of the mic, and after that it is going to give you speech to text, right? So whatever you will say or whatever you will speak, it is going to give you all the transcriptions over there. So for example, if I just click on the microphone here, hi, I'm Rahul. So as you can see, it easily understands and writes as you speak anything towards it. Okay, awesome. So this is speech to text. Then if you have your own transcriptions ready, then you can convert your text to speech. You just put your text here and select all the different AI models, and male and female according to different countries. So you select your language, and it is going to give you all the different kinds of language models, and you can also preview any of them.
Hi, my name is Joey. I will read any text you type here.
I hope you can listen this preview over here. So there are different kinds of audio tools that are incorporated in this, and then there are image generation tools. So you just go here inside the AI image generation. So you just enter whatever image you want to create. You just enter a short description of your image, something like this maybe, and then just select the format, and select the number of images and click on generate. So it is going to generate awesome images for you, right? So you just give your text and the image result will be ready. Not just that, once you have created this, you can always manage your arts from there. And then there is a built-in designer right inside the software for you. So you can do editing with that. You can create some variations of the same image. Then you can do the out painting, the in painting, and of course you can download it, right? So let me show you how our designer works. So you just click on that, and there is this image designer loaded here. So you can add your texts here, or you can do some other things like drawing the shapes or the stickers over here. So you just insert any kind of sticker over here, change the background, opacity, outline, shadow. So you can do plenty of things over here in terms of image editing. And once you are done, you just click on done, and then the image is going to get downloaded to your computer, right? Okay, so here is the image, and after that it doesn't just stop here. So there is also a built-in page builder right inside the software, right? So you just click on the page bingo. Sorry. So if you do not have access to this product, you have to of course buy this product, but this is our proprietary AI page builder, where it has 200 plus templates over here. So I will cover that in a separate demo video, but this is what I'm telling you. This has also the AI page builder, which can be easy to use for any kind of website designing. And then there is this stock explorer. Sorry. So there are different types of tools and so many things out there inside the tool. So I hope you now understand how the structure of the software is. In the next video I'm going to cover the entire demo of this in step by step process. Thank you. Hello and welcome to AI Marketo, another session. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use workflows inside the software to automate any kind of complex task. Right. So let's quickly jump on to the project screen and the project dashboard. So this is the done for you workflows, and you can see the workflow name, the workflow description of what it do, and the steps it has, right? So steps means it is going to generate the 7 different kinds of content according to this workflow, right? So let me explain you by some simple workflow, something like let's say ad copies generator, right? So if you want to write the ad copies for Facebook, Instagram and Google ads, you just simply click on the preview first in order to understand how this workflow will work and what kind of data it will give you. So in the step 1, it is going to create a Facebook ad copy for anything that you can be provided as an input. And in the second step, it is going to create an Instagram ad copy where it will give you one short copy and the long copy. And then it is going to give you some ad copies for, Google ads. So let's see how you can utilize this in your industry or your product or your service or brand to generate ad copies according to your concept. Okay. So let's quickly click on the copy button, and this workflow is now copied into your project. So once you do that, you can go to workflows and click on the manage tab. Okay, so this workflow is copied here, right? So this workflow is just copied right now, and if you're gonna use this workflow, it is going to use this much tokens from your system credits, right? And this is the preview again, and you can use this workflow. So just click on use, and now it is asking you what kind of input you want to give so that it can generate ad copies for you. So for example, I own a hosting brand which is called Host Legends. So I'm gonna just give him an input with something like Host Legends is a shared hosting VPS and dedicated server provider, and we provide hosting services worldwide, right? So this is my example input, and now watch me generating all the different ad copies with just this input. So I didn't have to use any Facebook or Google or Instagram or any of the steps. It is going to take a few minutes, probably 2 or 3 minutes, and after that it is going to give me all the ad copies completely done for you. Okay, so you can see workflow steps and data is added to the processing queue, and this means now this workflow is now executing in the background, right? So once it's executed completely, you can see the generated response in the used workflow responses. So you just go here and wait for a few seconds over here, and you will see all your data outputs here. So please wait for a few more seconds. And after a few seconds, it is now time to check the results. So I click on this used workflow response, and as you can see here, if you click on here, then it gave me this huge output, right? So this huge output has all the 3 steps and the 3 sections. So this one, the first one is the Facebook ad copy with a call to action: get reliable and affordable hosting services now. So this is the Facebook ad copy. The second step was to generate the ad copies for Instagram. So this is the short Instagram ad copy, and this is the long Instagram ad copy. And then we have the third step as different ad copies for Google ads. So it gave us 5 different ad copies for Google ads. So imagine you just give one output inside the tool, and it generated this huge amount of data for you that you can use anywhere just by entering this small description. right? So this is very, very powerful feature. Similarly, I used another workflow, which is HR recruiter. So I just gave him this input that I want to hire for React Native developers who has experience on any language or anything like AngularJS and blah blah blah. So I just click on there, and this HR recruiter workflow had also 3 steps. So it gave me a job description according to whatever I want to hire, and it gave me the nice responsibilities on according to my job description keywords, and it gave me a qualification, the salary structure. Then it also gave me interview screening questions, and also it told me if the candidate is selected what I have to tell him, or if the candidate is rejected what I have to tell him. So this tool is, guys, very awesome, and it can really help you with doing any kind of work, whether it is an automation or it is something else. You can just choose any of the workflow, just click on copy, and it will be copied into your account from the done for you section. After that, you can just give one keyword or 1 or 2 liner inputs, and then it will give you all the output in a nice way, right? On top of that, you can always create your own workflows and submit them to community. If we found your workflow interesting, we are going to add this into our done for you section so that it can be contributed to others as well. I hope you have liked the workflow feature. Let us know what you think. Thank you.